Sunshine, but it's going to be a hot day today. High right around 100 degrees. I'll get to the temperatures here in just a minute, but we're starting to fall behind on rainfall again. Departure from normal for the year. We're about 3.15 inches below where we should be. We're at 12.75. We had almost caught up in May, but of course June has been drier than normal, and so rainfall, we need some bad. The rivers are really starting to dry up, and taking a look at the lake levels, 75% full, Canyon Lake, but only 5% at Medina Lake, so really falling behind. Canyon Lake is more steady, so we're usually not doing too bad, but as far as Canyon Lake goes, at 75%, that is kind of bad. All right, so energy matters. CPS Energy says conserve your energy use between 3 and 8 o'clock this afternoon and evening. It's going to be a high demand day, so don't use those big appliances between 3 and 8. 78 degrees outside right now. It's a beautiful morning, partly cloudy skies, temperatures above average. Record high for the day is 108. We are not going to reach that, thank goodness, but it is going to be a hot one. Of course, high temperature today, right around 100 with lots of sunshine this afternoon. Don't forget the sunscreen. The heat index, I think, later this afternoon, about 104 in the city. Over to the east, though, those heat index values will approach 110, and that's where we've got the heat advisory, east counties. All right, temperature 78 degrees. Uvalde's at 70, not bad. Kerrville 72. Over at Victoria 79, and Hallettsville coming in at 79 as well. Upper level ridge of high pressure. You can kind of make it out that it's trying to move eastbound, and we definitely need to see that happen because when that does occur, you get a flow off of the Gulf of Mexico, not just at the surface, but at many levels. And so usually when that happens, when you have daytime heating, a little more moisture to work with, you'll have billowing clouds in the afternoon, and a few of those will produce showers and storms. And I think that's where we're headed as we head into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. But right now it is just plain hot. Nearest rainfall is way up in northern Kansas and also into Nebraska. So watch this high with the days here. Saturday's still going to be fairly strong, but Sunday, Monday, 4th of July, kind of trough replaces that. That'll promote lift. Daytime heating will do its thing, and about a 20% chance of showers and storms here and there. The computer model says about 101, I think closer to 100, 101 will be close. So how much rain are we talking about? This is just one computer model, and this is next week, going into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I think this is probably overdoing it a bit, but if we're lucky, cross your fingers, when you add up all the chances for rain next week, maybe about a half an inch or so, and we'll take it. Aquifer 634.2. If we get into the 620s, which I think we might, that only happens about once every 10 years, so kind of rare territory on that aquifer being so low. Mold's light, pigweed is also light. All right, 100 degrees for Friday. I think we're close to it on Saturday. A little bit more cloud cover. Sunday also about 98, and then mid-90s as we head in Monday and the 4th of July. 20% chance of some showers and some thunderstorms. And I think the fireworks will go off probably without a hitch unless you're very, very unlucky.